So, found this pretty cool glitch in Animal Company. I'm just gonna drop that for a second. So, if you get a crossbow and a pogo stick, if you get a crossbow and you put a pogo stick in it, and you, like, you don't have to bounce around, but, if you drop it like this, that wasn't a good example. Watch this, though. See? It moves you, even though you don't have the crowbar equipped. I think it's pretty cool. I've yet to try it out with just a normal pogo stick, though. I'll do that right now. Yeah, I don't think it works. Yeah, it doesn't. So yeah, that's kind of weird, to be honest, but I think it's pretty fun. I'm gonna call it, I actually don't know what I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call it the Funny Pogo. Get your Pogo on, guys, because today we're gonna be... Okay, yeah, I don't know. The Funny Pogo. Funny Pogo. Funny Pogo glitch. Funny Pogo glitch. Isn't that just like a beautiful name? Anyways. Oh, that was the wrong button. Anyways. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. Pogo, funny Pogo glitch. Isn't that just like an amazing name, guys? Isn't this just like peak name here, guys? Right? Am I right, guys? Yow. Also, CSR MP4. CSR MP. Whatever the fuck. CSR MP4 production is like almost done. Expected to be out by November 5th. November 7th. How about that? That's the release date, guys. Is that just amazing? Anyways. See you later. I keep on pressing the wrong button. I'm gonna die, dude. Woo! Okay, that was a really good example. Right there. So, I'm pretty sure you can do, like, pretty cool stuff with that. So, yeah. But you have to make sure the pogo stick is in the crowbar, or else it won't work. Ooh. Anyways, bye-bye, chat. Remember, it's called made by me, Unregistered Fish. And, yeah. It's called the Funny Pogo Glitch. Anyways, bye. Turns out I found another glitch. This one's even glitchier. I don't know how to do it, but, I did it. So, as you can see, yeah, I'm kind of stuck like this. It's kind of bad because I left all my items over there. Yeah, I'm just gonna call this one the, oh my god, I think the gravity changed. Guys, as you can see, it's really hard to get unstuck. I don't know how it happened, but I was pogo sticking around after I just recorded the other one. I was pogo sticking around, and my arm got stuck in one of the things near spawn, and, you know, my I got unstuck, but I realized that, hey, why am I getting pulled towards the side? And I got off, and this happened. I just discovered two glitches in the span of like a few minutes. And it was just pretty cool, I'd say. Gravity literally change. I'm gonna call this one Marvin's. Fuck it. I'm gonna call this one the. Hey guys, I don't think this is supposed to be happening glitch. No, that sucks. Fishes. Awesome. Super radical. Awesome and cool. Gravity glitch. Yeah, that's what it's gonna be called. Anyways, my battery's about to die, so I'm just gonna, stop the recording. Bye, chat.